Hi there, it's Paul from Skills TX. So just a quick introduction to what we have in the May 2020 release. Quite a bit of work been done around the user interface from feedback once again from our end users. So let's just have a look at what we've got. Okay, quick run through. We have an offer for some digital skills management maturity training, a couple of hours online. We've run quite a few of those now and had some wonderful feedback, so we've extended that offer to anyone that's interested. Give you a sense of the benefits that you can derive if you increase your digital skills management maturity, so definitely worth a look at that. If you're interested, just contact me. If we look at the admin console, we're gearing up for larger enterprises with many thousands of users. So we've done some rework around the assignment of individuals for self-assessment, and we're using a concept similar to Active Directory with resource groups and the management of those. And we've also improved the feedback you get from the job upload with an audit trail now on the job management page. And we've really been putting some time into the planner console. So we've got a new mechanism for showing jobs alongside your skill profile. We've got a memory of the predefined action filters that people have used, so that it takes you back to what you're looking at last time. It's usually what people want to do. And we've got a sneak peek of a couple of things that are in the wings and will be with us very soon. So we've got in-page tutorial and help, and we've got this unbelievable system which is Bongo video assessments. Won't show you too much, we'll just give you a sneak peek of what you can expect in the very near future. So let's dive straight into the administration console and what we've done with regard to resource groups. So we're in the admin console, we've got a new menu item, it's called manage groups. You create groups and assign people to groups. I've got two set up here, pilot group and second tranche. You can just add whoever you need to those groups, delete them, edit them, all sorts of things. So standard sort of group management. And where that manifests itself is in the assigned self-assessments. So for larger organizations, we've got things like show me people that were recently added. We can show people in any of the other groups, etc. So as you're adding people, add them to groups, and then you can assign a block of people at a time and manage that when you've got a large number. If we go into the job role management, just have a quick look at what we've done with regard to the audit trail for the job upload. So if you scroll down the page, you've got this thing called import queue. All of the files that you've uploaded, you can download and have a look at them if you wanted. And it gives you running commentary on basically whether it works, and if it didn't, why it didn't. So we can see here this one had a duplicate record because we uploaded it as an insert only. So plenty of information for you to make sure that that upload is as accurate as it can be. Now let's flick across into the planner console. So what we've done here, we've slightly reworked the way that we present the skills down at the bottom. So we've extended the category headers across the page. It aligns with what we've got in the mobile version as well. But the big change here is if I'll just shrink that down, if I click on show, it's now giving us this indicator bar down the right hand side. So it's telling me in this case that we match all of the generic levels. This is showing me that we've got a match for that particular skill, and this circle here is telling me that there's a desirable skill that we don't fully match. So you can see actually there that it's flashing on and off to highlight the area of mismatch. And if I scroll down, we've got some crosses here, and that's telling me that's a required skill that we don't match fully. So a very visual way of seeing how you compare to a job that you load in, and obviously the same applies to a future job. And then if we have a look at, I'll just scroll around again, what we've done in regard to the in-page tutorial, we've got this little button flashing here. If I click on it, it's asking me if I want to start the tour, giving me some information, begin the tour, and it's going to start taking me around the page and introducing the various features. We're currently working on that. We're going to align it with the employee experience analytics in a system so that the in-page tutorial is going to help drive people to be more engaged with regards to their career development. So we'll dismiss out of that. And then we've got this other really cool feature that we're working on right now. So one of the actions we can have, we call it Bongo Learn. It will probably say Bongo Assess when we go live, but if I click on that, it's actually going to take me into another system, and this will allow me to record a video whereby I can describe the experience that I've got against a particular skill. The system itself will do some analysis of that video, and it can be passed on to other people to then either pass that assessment or not. So it gives you the ability to add that additional level of credibility to the data should you require it. So all of that will come down in a future release. So the in-page tutorial and the assess skills. So I just thought I'd give you a quick heads up in terms of what we've got there. And that's it for the May release. Hope you enjoy those new features. And of course, if you want to know more about that training, contact me at paul.collins@skillstx.com. Thanks again for your time, and I'll see you on the next What's New.